This has been drying now for about 4 days and I'm ready to give it a coat of paint. But what I'm going to do before I put any details or anything on it is I'm going to coat it completely in black. And this is just a Mars black that I'm just going to water down a little bit so it's a little bit thinner. And you'll see why I want to paint everything in black first in a few minutes. And if you missed the video where I made this mask, it was a really simple project. It's a lot easier than you would think to sculpt something like this. Then I'll link it at the end of this video so you can check it out. I'm going to go all over it, making sure I get in everywhere. I don't want to see any of the white clay whatsoever in this. Well, I'm ready to paint this now. It's all completely dry and it's very firm. I'm going to be using a mixture of red, burnt umber, some white and a little bit of silver because the majority of it's going to be red and then some of it is going to be like a bone colour, these bits here. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of dry brushing overwards. So rather than talk you through it, I'll let you watch it and I will speed it up. It doesn't take so long for you.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city.
I'm now going to do the horns, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry brush over some white, but I'm not going to do pure white. I'm going to add a tiny bit of silver to the white, and I mean a teeny drop like that. Just to knock that white back a little bit so it's not brilliant white. And I'm also going to add a little bit of burnt umber to the white as well to knock it back a bit more, because I just don't want that to be brilliant white. And then I'm going to use a brush and then just dry brush around the horns and the teeth, and then I'll sort the eyebrows out in a second.
Lost patience at your door.
There we go. So I'm quite happy with that now, and I think that's come out really well. It's not too scary because I didn't want to make it really scary, and I like the way that the black underneath coat still shines through a little bit, making it a little bit more mottled in the red area, and also the black and the burnt umber underneath the horn. What I am going to do is I'm going to gloss varnish the teeth so that they really do pop in the mouth. Other than that, it's nearly finished. So I'll get on with that and I'll show you when it's finished. Well, this is all finished now, and I have to say I'm really pleased with how it's come out. I think it's looking great. It was really simple to do and great fun to do as well. I hope you've enjoyed watching this project as much as I've enjoyed doing it. Don't forget, hit that like button and check out some of my other videos. I will link the one at the end of this on how I made it. Take care, enjoy your crafting. Bye.